Let me show you how to install the distribution point box. First, open the box and install the module onto the back mount frame. The module adopts IDC technique, which means no soldering, while stripping all the user screws, and which clamps the wires at a 45-degree angle. Next, use the insertion tool to connect the wires with the module, and cut the extra wires one by one. By the way, the distribution point box is used in terminating cables of secondary telephone network to the cable pairs of subscriber lines. Finally, confirm that the wires are firmly connected. It's done. Thanks for watching.
The Apple, your partner in growth.